Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary.
Today, I'll be discussing bonus book review
Title:
To Get Healthy, Go Vegan Cookbook, 125 easy and delicious recipes to jumpstart weight loss and help you feel great. Paperback, June 8, 2010, by Neal Barnard and Robyn Webb.
In the Get Healthy, Go Vegan Cookbook, Dr. Neal Barnard, a leading authority on diabetes, and nutritionist Robyn Webb, presents a compelling guide for adopting a vegan diet to manage type 2 diabetes more effectively than traditional diets. Based on Dr. Barnard's groundbreaking 2-year study, the book demonstrates the diet's benefits not only for diabetes control, but also for weight loss and reversing heart disease. The cookbook features 125 easy, appealing recipes that are animal product-free, low in fat, and have a low to moderate glycemic index, making them suitable for any occasion. Barnard and Webb offer practical advice for adopting this diet, supported by scientific explanations, menu plans, and inspiring success stories. This comprehensive guide is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to improve their health through a plant-based diet, offering straightforward recipes and a wealth of nutritional information.
Product details. Publisher, Da Campo Lifelong Books. Original edition, June 8, 2010. Language, English. Paperback, 248 pages.
ISBN 10-0738213586. ISBN 13-978-0738213583. Amazon Reviews. Released in 2010, the Get Healthy, Go Vegan Cookbook by Dr. Neal Barnard and Robyn Webb quickly became one of my staple cookbooks. More than a mere collection of recipes, the book opens with a detailed discussion of the science and research supporting a plant-based, whole food diet, along with its benefits for weight loss, reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, and preventing type 2 diabetes and cancer. It also includes handy tips on essential pantry items. As someone keen on regulating my blood sugar, I found the diabetes section particularly enlightening, especially the information on low glycemic index foods and the benefits of daily cinnamon intake. However, the index could be improved. For instance, despite Dr. Barnard being featured on the cover with a veggie burger, burgers are oddly missing from the index, though I found 3 burger recipes in the lunch section. The recipes are healthy, nutritious, and quick to prepare, although I tend to add more seasonings than suggested. Dr. Barnard introduces ingredients like nutritional yeast, tamari, and soba noodles. While the recipes heavily utilize agave nectar and can be time-consuming, the results are worth it. The book could benefit from tips for quick meals for busy days. Despite its non-gourmet focus, the recipes are delicious and mostly quick to prepare, taking about 30 minutes. The book's layout by meal rather than dish type, e.g., soups, salads, pasta, was less helpful, and the overall design seems hastily done, possibly due to the publisher removing photos without proper reformatting. The recipes avoid sugar shocks and are genuinely tasty, but the nutritional information could be more user-friendly by including daily values instead of just grams and micrograms. The cover might not catch the eye, and the book lacks food photography, which might be a downside for some. Despite these minor issues, this cookbook delivers flavorful and exceptionally healthy meals.
My opinion. This book is an excellent resource for anyone considering adopting a vegan diet. The recipes and menus section is thoroughly organized by meal type: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, dips, desserts, and even recipes for entertainment. It includes a practical 3-day menu plan. The appendices are also helpful, featuring a quick and easy shopping list and a list of convenient foods. A unique aspect of the book is the "Did You Know" boxes on many recipe pages, which provide additional nutritional insight. For instance, the recipe for French country stew includes a bonus recipe for making butternut squash French fries. An hummus pizza recipe offers information on beans, fiber, and blood sugar control. However, the book layout could be improved. The centerfold of 8 pages of color pictures would be more effective if the pictures were placed directly on the recipe page. Another strength of the book is its use of simple, readily available ingredients, catering to a variety of culinary tastes with sections on Italian, tapas, and Asian cuisines. Dr. Barnard's approach is informative yet not overbearing, and he wisely advises consulting a doctor before making significant dietary changes. The book not only explains the impact of food choices on health, but also shares inspiring, true stories of individuals who have regained health through Dr. Barnard's guidance. While the recipes are generally easy and nutritious, some may find them a bit bland. Highlights include diverse, flavorful dishes such as Italian chickpea nibbles, basil pesto spread made with tofu, smoky barbecue sauce, and fire-roasted tomato black bean chili, ensuring that there's something for every palate. Our next bonus book review will be The China Study Cookbook by Leanne Campbell, PhD, photos by Stephen Campbell Desla. Over 120 whole food plant-based recipes. It has beautiful, colorful pictures. I can't wait to share it with you. I need you to help support my podcast. How about gifting me $5 if you like this podcast? Why not buy me a cup of coffee? The address will be in the show notes.
The music featured at the beginning and end of this podcast is courtesy of Denmark Music Group. The opening and closing tracks are from the instrumental album Beautiful Days by Darren Birch, released under the title Mononymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs in 2019 via Darren Birch Music. The composer is Darren Birch. I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.